You want to get better at prospecting? If you really want to succeed with your network marketing business, it's important that you get good at prospecting. Prospecting and closing is the skill that will pay you the most money. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the prospecting tips that will increase your results, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Sifiso Mhlongo here in Njomanika Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business and anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can just use the link on the video description below to subscribe. Did you ever show your prospects your business opportunity, and after they watch it, they say, "This is not for me. I don't have the time to do this. I don't have the money. I'm not interested in selling perfumes," or whatever your product is. If you are doing any type of prospecting, you've probably had one of these responses after your prospect, watched your presentation. Now the question is, how do you respond when they make such statements? Do you try to convince them why your business should be for them, or that your business doesn't require that much time? Or do you get defensive about the product and say, "Everybody loves our perfumes, and if you join, I'll help you make money"? Don't try to convince anyone to join your business, and don't get defensive. Trying to convince someone to join you in business and getting defensive only makes you look bad to your prospects. It's very important that you have good posture when you are dealing with your prospects. One of the first things that you should do when your prospects agrees to look at your presentation is to find out why they are open to looking at it. You need to find out what is motivating them to get into business. Well, they might say that they want to make money, but that is not the motivation. You have to find out why they want to make money. Is it to travel? Is it to quit their job? Is it to spend more time with the family, and so on? Let's say that your prospects want to look at your business opportunity because they want to quit their job and have more time freedom. But after they watch your presentation, they say, "I don't want to join this business because I don't have the time." All you have to do is redirect them back to their why. You simply remind them that they were looking at the business opportunity because they wanted to quit their job and gain financial freedom. Ask them, do you have another plan or strategy to get your freedom back? Isn't your freedom worth finding the time to build your business and quit your job? No matter what objection a prospect has, you can usually overcome it if you know their real reason for wanting to look at your business opportunity. Whenever there's an objection, refer them back to the reason why they wanted to look at it in the first place. You need to focus on being a problem solver instead of a salesperson. You will greatly increase your results. And lastly, don't get defensive or try to convince anyone, because it will work against you. Instead, find out the reason your prospect wants to start a business and refer to that reason if they hit you with an objection. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.